The transformative power of growth and self-discovery is rewarding. Like the duckling, we may start life feeling out of place and unattractive, but with time, patience, and hard work, we can emerge as something truly beautiful. This transformation requires us to look within ourselves, to recognize our unique strengths and gifts, and to embrace the challenges that come with growth. The story of the ugly duckling should inspire us to keep pushing forward, even when things seem difficult, for transformation and beauty are always within reach.